Here's the 4-in-1 ESC, electronic speed controller, and it's a flight controller, and they were connected together, and this one was connected to this one. It was connected until the connector came apart, and the left side, those metal pins got desoldered from here, and the right side got out from there. Now good luck soldering those back. Okay, so in the end I had to connect 5 plus 5 wires because that connector got totally destroyed. If you buy a board with such a connector, better don't take it apart. It's a single use only connector. So here between the plus and minus we don't have short circuit. I just measured it with a multimeter, and let's plug in a battery. No smoke, that's good.